Welcome to the course and big welcome to all newbies diving into the world of Amazon. Whether you have just joined our team or you're watching this on our YouTube channel to learn the ropes. So this is your starting point. So I'm Umar, the brand evangelist and journal manager at Spectrum BPO. So since 2017, we have helped over 500 brands to grow on Amazon. And now we are here to help you to understand how exactly Seller Central works. So in this course, we will break down everything step by step from listing your first product to managing orders, running ads, and scaling your business. So stay with me and let's start your Amazon journey right here, right now. So imagine a digital marketplace where anyone from a small home business to a Fortune 500 company can sell to millions of customers worldwide on Amazon. But you know how did it start and how does it really work? Amazon, where you shop for everything, but did you know Amazon started by just selling books and not in a fancy way, right? Back in 1994, a guy named Jeff Bezos, one who looks like a bald superhero, left his safe bank job to sell Amazon and sell books online. So crazy, right? First, he wanted to call his company Cadabra, like the magic word abracadabra, but people kept mishearing it's cadaver, so which means a dead body, right? So he picked Amazon name after a huge rainforest. So his goal was to be the biggest bookstore on the earth. So fast forward today, Amazon sells everything from toothbrush to TV shows and even runs to internet's backbone. So how did a tiny online bookstore become a 1.6 trillion monster? So let's find out. And no confusing business talk, I promise. So Amazon opened its doors in 1995. Here's why it worked. Books were perfect fit for online shopping, lightweight, easy to ship, millions of titles. No physical store could stock that many. So they treated Amazon customer like royalty, cheap prices, fast delivery for the 90s at least. By 1997, they hit 148 million in sales. So the magic trick was the lower prices, more happy customers, more sellers join, more products, and more customers. So every penny Amazon earned, they put back into the business for better tech, bigger warehouses, and even lower prices. So before you had uh, fill your before the Amazon, right? You had to fill your address, car details every time. It was totally annoying. So after that, one tap and boom, your orders placed. So why it worked? People thought uh, that more impulsively. So no time to rethink. Amazon saved your data to recommend products, and they even patented it so no one could copy it for 20 years. So letting others also is to sell on Amazon. For example, if you make handmade soap, so Amazon says use our website and we will handle shipping, just pay us a small fee, right? So it was a win-win situation. Seller reach millions and Amazon earns without storing inventory. So Amazon is not perfect. Meet the Fire phone in 2014. So dream was beat iPhone and Android. So reality was a flop. Why? Too late in the game. So no cool features like just a weird 3D screen. So but yes, Kindle it was a total win and sold at no cost, no profit. Hooked user on ebook where Amazon makes money. So, and here is a secret I want to let you know that Amazon's most profitable business is not just shopping, it's AWS, Amazon Web Services. And what is AWS? AWS is, think of it as a digital warehouse where a company rent storage for photos, videos, data, software without installing anything. So who uses it? Like Netflix, Instagram for your selfies, and even NASA. So why it is a gold mine? 30% profit margin versus 2% from selling products. Funds half of Amazon's empire. So today, I want to talk about in Amazon when it was in 2023, revenue was 574 million. So here where it comes from. So online shopping, right? 40% almost. Uh, AWS 16% of sales, but 50% of profits, like a fee from sellers, like a mall charging rent and subscription like Prime, Kindle was unlimited. So fun fact, for years Amazon reinvested every dollar to grow. So now they are cashing it. So in a nutshell, Amazon is world's biggest online shopping website. You can buy almost anything on Amazon: books, clothes, electronics, groceries, even furniture, all from your phone or laptop or desktop PC. So it started as a small online bookstore in 1994, but now it is a global marketplace where millions of people shop every day. Today, Amazon has fast delivery like next day or same day delivery. So a service is called Prime for members. So Prime members and even voice shipping through Alexa is very famous, and it is also a place where anyone can sell, from big brands to small home businesses. So whether you are a buyer or seller, Amazon is a place where the world stops. So let's wrap this up. So I hope you are now one step closer to mastering Amazon Seller Central and Amazon. So remember, every expert once a beginner. So, and this is just a start of your journey. Till then, best of luck. Keep learning and welcome once again to the world of Amazon and with Spectrum BPO by your side. So see you in the next video.